Hi guys, today I will take you to my room tour. When I get home, I always take a little coffee break. Here's my living room looks like. After I get a coffee, I read my favorite book. Here's the bathroom. This is the bedroom. I like this concrete and modern design. This is the best moment in the day. I love to drink a coffee while seeing this great city view. It's time to take a nap. If you love this video, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe this channel.